Hi, it's Mr. Anderson, and we're going to do two more letters today. P, 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 and N, n, n. And just like before, we're going to keep practicing these sounds because knowing our sounds can help us become even stronger and better readers. So let's do the first one together. P, p, p. Pig. Pig is a type of animal. Let's find some other words that have the p sound. Axe, no. Map, no. That has the m sound. Pool, 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 pool.
Pool.
Let's try another. Let's look in this row. Anchor, no. Park, park, ark, park. That works.
Park.
Let's try another one. Let's go over here first. Nest, pen, 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 pen. That works.
Pen.
So all of these words here have the p sound. Pig, pool, park, and pen. Let's try another word. Let's try another letter. N, n, n. And this is a picture of a net. You use a net to catch things. All right, help me out. Let's check over here. Angel, no. Map, apron, neck, neck, n, n. That works.
Neck.
Try another. Music, m, m. Acorn, Nest, nest, n, n. Nest, nest. That works. Awesome.
Nest.
Let's try another one here. Tent, napkin, n, n. Napkin, napkin.
Napkin.
It worked. Awesome. So all of these words have the n, n sound because they start with the letter N. Net, neck, nest, and napkin. Great work. Keep practicing, and I'll see you later.